Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and live on Whatnot. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Whatnot application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go in live on Whatnot. So to go live on Whatnot, you first need a seller access. If you haven't been approved to sell yet, tap sell, of course, which is in the bottom side of the screen. So we have, as you can see, home, category, sell, activity, and account. Click on the sell, then click continue, and here you need to go and fill the seller's account, putting the category, subcategory, what describes you, what you're selling, etc. And when you go and through all of these, at the end, you will get the application filled out, and then you need to wait for them to approve it. Once you approve it, you can then live. So when it's stream, of course, you're ready to stream, go to the seller hub, then shows, and open the scheduled show, and of course start streaming, where of course you need to put in your camera, bad lighting, good internet connection, and all of those things, so the auction can be good enough. So keep that in mind that you need to go and do that, and then you can of course go and start selling. People will start bidding, and it will look like something like these here that you have. As you can see here, you can see the profiles, you can see that they're live, how much viewers they have, and everything, so you can see all of those things here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.